Let's learn how you can change password on locked WhatsApp chats. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want because method is same for every phone. So now let us open our WhatsApp application. Now you will have to click on locked chats and unlock your chat. When you did that, just press and hold on chat you locked that you want to change or unlock password for. So I will press and hold, and as you can see, this new menu appeared. You will just have to unlock the chat, and as you can see, chat is unlocked. Now to change the password, you can just set new password for the chat you want. I used Face ID, so I didn't need to change the password, but just go to settings and change the password of the chat you want, and you're finished. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.